Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, okay, you look, today our topic is chapter 9, CQ 5, that means Creative Questions 5, lecture number 30, HW number 29. Okay, dear student, at first I will read the questions. In ABC, angle A equal to 90 degree, BP and CQ are two medians. Bisect angle A with pencil compass. B number, prove that BC square equal to CQ square plus 3AQ square. Prove that 5BC square equal to 4 of BP square plus CQ square. Okay, dear student, in our question, bisect the angle A with the pencil compass. You see, angle A is 90 degree. Okay, so now I would want to teach you the question number A. Okay, question number A. What is given? Given in ABC, angle A equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is given. Now we have to bisect the angle A with the pencil compass. Dear student, how can we draw the angle A, that means 90 degree angle? Okay, at first you place the protractor. You see, this is okay. Now join now. Okay, dear student, look, this is A, this is B, and this is C. And you see here A angle is 90 degree angle. Okay, now we have to bisect the angle A with pencil compass. Okay, for this run, you take any radius. Okay, you take any radius and draw an arc. Okay, then place here then taking more than half of radius, you draw an arc. Similarly, from here, you see, from here draw another arc. Okay, now you see, okay, now you see the angle A is bisected here. That means if BAC or angle A equal to 90 degree, then BA, you take here any point here, okay, O, then angle BAO or CAO are half of right angle, that means 45 degree angle. That means BAC is bisected now. Okay, this is our required result. Now I will solve the question number B. Okay, question number B. But I want to discuss a little bit. Look, Suppose you see this is the right angle triangle. You see A, B, C. This is the right angle triangle. Okay, and B angle is 90 degree. Okay, dear student, I now discuss. Look, angle B is 90 degree and its opposite side is AC, which is known as hypotenuse. That means AC is known as hypotenuse. BC is base. BC is base and AB is the perpendicular. AB is the perpendicular. Okay, there is a renowned theory about the right angle triangle. Okay, the Pythagoras says that the square of hypotenuse, is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Okay, according to your book, the Pythagoras theorem is square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of the other two sides. That means, according to the Pythagoras law, we can write AC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Okay? Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now, I'll come to the point. That means our required theorem. Look, at first you draw a triangle. That means right angle triangle. And give the name A, B and C. Now see, according to the questions, BP and CQ are two medians. That means what? You take a point P. That means P is the middle point of AC, and you take a point Q, so that Q is the middle point of AB. Okay, Q is the middle point of AB. Now join now. Okay, please you look the theorem properly. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, right here, according to the description or according to the stem, in ABC, angle A equal to 90 degree. Okay, BP and CQ are two medians. Okay, we have to prove that BC square equal to CQ square plus 3 AQ square. Okay, now write here proof. Dear student, we look, BP and CQ are the midpoints. Therefore, we can say AQ equal to what? AQ or BQ equal to half of AB. Look, as Q is the midpoint of AB, so AQ and BQ are the equal. Therefore, we can say AQ equal to half of BQ. Similarly, BQ also half of AB. Therefore, we can write 2AQ equal to AB. Okay? How comes this? We multiply 2 into AQ, that means 2AQ, and 1 into AB, that means AB. Right? In ABC angle A equal to 90 degree. As angle A equal to 90 degrees, so we use the Pythagoras theorem. Look, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square 1, and AQC right here in AQC angle A equal to 90 degree. Okay, you see AQC for this triangle, CQ square equal to what? Right, CQ square equal to AQ square plus AC square. Okay, or CQ square equal minus AQ square equal to AC square. Now from 1 and 2 we get, that means AC square equal to CQ square minus AQ square. Now we put this value in equation 1. Look, right, from 1 we get, what we get, right, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square means what? CQ square minus AQ square. Okay, now you see AB equal to what? I have got, you see, AB equal to 2AQ, right, 2AQ plus CQ square minus AQ square. 2 square, that means 4 AQ square plus minus AQ square. This is equal to what? 3 AQ square plus CQ square. Right here. Okay, dear student, you look here. BC square 4 AQ square minus 1 AQ square, that means 3 AQ square plus CQ square. Now we see, we have to prove that BC square equal to CQ square plus 3 AQ square. Okay, so you write the according to the questions, hence BC square equal to CQ square plus 3 AQ square. Okay, right here proved. Similarly, I will solve the question number C. Okay, dear student, again you have to draw a triangle, right angle triangle like this way. Look, write A, B and CQ and Dear student, you carefully look. This is the point of Q. This is the point of P. Okay. Dear student, you always draw this with pencil and compass. Okay. We draw the right angle triangle must be using the pencil and compass. Dear student, you see the question number C, we have to prove that BC square equal to BP square plus CQ square. Okay, right. In ABC triangle, ABC equal to 90 degree, BP and CQ are BP and CQ are two medians. Okay, BP and CQ are the two medians. You have to prove that. You have to prove that 5BC square equal to 4BP square plus CQ square. Okay, right here proof. You see BP and CQ are the medians. Okay, BP and CQ are the medians. Look, as BP and CQ are the medians of AC and AB respectively, okay. Then AQ equal to BQ equal to what? Half of AB. Okay, that means 2AQ equal to AB. Similarly, AP for this side, AP equal to CP equal to what? Half of AC. That means 2AP equal to AC. Dear student, AP or PA same. Okay. Now in ABC triangle, A equal to 90 degree. Okay, that we can say BC square equal to what? AB square plus AC square. Equation 1. Then ABP, in ABP angle A equal to 90 degree. You see triangle ABP. BP is the hypotenuse right here. BP square equal to AP square plus AB square. Okay, you see triangle ABP, BP square equal to AB square plus AP square. AB square plus AP square, and AQC triangle AQC triangle equal to 90 degree. Okay, AQC, that means CQ square CQ square equal to AQ square plus AC square. Equation 3. Dear student, you see the questions. BP square plus CQ square. You see, this is the BP square and plus CQ square. If we adding equation 2 and 3, then what we will get? Okay, BP square plus CQ square, adding equation 2 and 3. Okay, BP square plus CQ square equal to what? Right, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square, then AQ square plus AQ square plus AB square. Okay, or dear student, look, AB square plus AC square equal to what? BC square. Put here. Now AQ equal to what? You see, AQ equal to what? AQ equal to half of AB, we can write here. Okay, BC square, AQ square, right here, AQ square plus AP square. Okay, now you see the question. You see the question, 4BP square plus CQ square. So you have to multiply both these sides by 4. Okay, right, 4 BP square plus C square equal to what? 4 BC square, 4 AQ square, 4 AP square. Okay, 4 BC square. You see, 2AQ, we can write like this way. Two AP. Okay, therefore write 4 BC square. 2AQ means what? Again you see, 2AQ means AB. Right here AB. Plus 2AP means AC. Right here 4 BC square, AB square plus AC square equal to what? You see equation 1, you see the question, AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Right here BC square, that means 5 BC square. Okay, now right here, therefore 4 BP square plus CQ square equal to 5 BC square. This is our proved. Dear student, you give here a hint, multiplying both sides by 4. Okay, multiplying both sides by 4. Dear student, now you see the question, 5 BC square equal to what? 4 BP square plus CQ square. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. You see HW number 29, topic chapter 9. In this CQ, ABC, in ABC triangle, angle A equal to 90 degree, BP and CQ are the two medians. Bisect the angle A with the pencil compass. Prove that BC square equal to CQ square plus 3AQ square. Prove that 5 BC square equal to 4 BP square plus CQ square. Okay, dear student, Dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CD marks, diary marks and SB marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, no more today. I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.